welcome to Mortgage FAQs in a minute or two. I'm Julie with the Platinum Group, and this is Amy with Main Street Home Loans. This is our second video in the series where we're trying to cover some of the topics and your burning questions about mortgages when it comes to buying a home. So right now we're going to talk about the loan application process. Once I've made an offer on a home and I have a contract, I have to make an official application for the mortgage, correct?
Exactly. And the only difference between a loan application and the loan pre-approval we discussed earlier is that you now have a property. So once you have a contract, you have a property, and that property address is kind of the last missing piece to make your pre-approval and an actual application.
Got it. And then we have to start talking about locking in my interest rate, correct?
Exactly. Now is the time. So we'll look at your different lock options. You have anywhere from typically from a 30 to a 60-day time period is the traditional lock, and it doesn't cost anything to lock in your interest rate.
Oh, that's good to know. So if you have a longer closing, you can lock it for a longer period of time. And then closing costs. That's a word I keep hearing. What are my closing costs, and do I have to pay them? Well,
yes. So there are costs associated with purchasing real estate. The closing costs are kind of consist of three different buckets, we'll call them. You have a small amount of the closing costs are fees that you pay to the lender, to us, for processing your application, your appraisal, and those types of things. You will have a title company that's working on your behalf, and their job is to research the title of the property and make sure that you are, not inheriting someone else's problems, so to speak. And so then you have your title fees, and lastly you have your state and your county transfer taxes. And that's simply sales tax on the purchase, just like you pay sales tax on anything that you buy.
Great. Easy peasy, right?
Easy peasy.
Well, thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions about this process, please reach out to myself or Amy and we'll be happy to walk you through it. Thanks for watching.